Boilermakers are responsible for making and repairing boilers. A boiler is like a huge kettle. It heats water using oil, gas, or coal to make steam, which is released under very high pressure. These large boilers are made to generate electricity, and the smaller ones are used in the food industry and hospitals for sterilization and heating. Safety is important at all times. Boilermakers are qualified artisans who work alongside and supervise boilermaker operators, pressure welders, and general workers. They can do all the jobs they supervise, like welding, cutting, and operating machines. A boiler consists of the main body or shell and extra ancillary parts like this chimney, which removes toxic fumes, or the pipes that the water or fire runs through. The extra parts are made here in the ancillary shop, mostly by the boilermaker operators and pressure welders. Here, the links of a stoker are being welded together. The stoker is a conveyor that feeds coal into the boiler, heating the water like the element in a kettle. The boilermaker's skills include interpreting a drawing, taking measurements, marking up a plate, and manipulating whatever shapes are required. The main body of the boiler, the shell, is made from these steel plates. One of the boilermaker's supervisory roles is to mark up the plates and write all relevant information on them to guide the boilermaker operators. For example, RTS means roll this side, ROS means roll other side, and REV stands for reversible. Following the markings, a boilermaker operator cuts the plate with an oxyacetylene torch. It then goes through the rollers, which bends it. For safety, the names and photographs of the operator qualifiers to use this machine are clearly visible. This plate shows where holes have to be cut, through which pipes will run, and this shows the circular top and bottom of the boiler. Once cut and shaped, the parts are welded together by pressure welders. The boilers made here include water tube boilers where water runs through tubes heated by fire outside the tubes, and fire tube boilers where the fire runs inside the tubes. Once the ancillary parts and the boiler shell are all fitted together, the boiler is pressure tested. It's then covered in a fiber blanket to keep heat inside. Lastly, a stainless steel cover known as a lagging plate goes over the fiber. Boilermakers need grade 12 with maths and science and a national diploma or an apprenticeship through the company, where operators can upskill to become boilermakers. This in-demand job, which requires creativity, good hand-eye coordination, and attention to detail, plays an essential part in our lives, generating electricity and keeping our hospitals hygienic.